Hey guys, Mitch from Shock Therapy here, and today we're going to be showing you on this installation video how to install the rear links on the Wildcat XX. A couple of things that this link kit is going to do for you. Number one, it's going to add strength and durability to the rear of the car itself. Number two, it is also going to get rid of the factory link that is known for breaking and deteriorating around the factory bushing itself. Number three, they're actually adjustable as well, so you can actually adjust them on the car if you need to. This also helps in the aid that if you ever have to replace the rod ends themselves, you can actually unscrew them from the link and buy them from the website to replace the parts. This install should take you no longer than 1 hour, so let's jump on in. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Your first step is to remove the factory hardware and link. This is done by using a 15mm wrench and a 13mm socket. Discard the factory hardware and links, as you will be using the hardware supplied in the Shock Therapy rear link kit. Repeat this on the opposite side. Measure the distance between the rod ends. This measurement should be 4 inches and is measured from center of hole to center of hole. Make sure the rod ends are facing the same direction and then finger tighten the jam nuts. When installing the rear link, remember that the jam nut faces downward. Insert the lower spacers and attach the link to the UTV using the supplied hardware. This is done by using a 17mm wrench and a 17mm socket. All the spacers in this kit are the same size, so it does not matter where they go. Next, insert the upper spacers and attach the link to the sway bar. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Once the new links have been installed, it is now time to lock down the jam nuts using a 15/16 wrench. When the jam nuts have been tightened, your installation is complete. We hope that this install helped you guys in the installation of your rear link kits at home for the Wildcat XX. And as always, remember to tighten that jam nut after the first 100 to 300 miles. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified anytime we post a new video like this one. And as always, if you guys ever need any replacement parts, feel free to visit the website at www.shocktherapist.com. For any technical help or any other questions regarding this video or anything else, please give us a call at 623-217-4959.